My name is Paul Orth, and I own 10th Street Quick Lube Repair in Manitowoc. I've been looking at LED lights and trying to compare the LEDs to the fluorescents that we had in here. We definitely needed a better lighting. So I was looking around, and I found a company to provide me with some nice LED lights. We had them installed, and what a difference. You have hardly no shadow at all. The lighting, as far as inspection, and we're under the engine compartments, obviously you can see things a lot clearer, a lot better. We barely ever need a hood light under that car anymore, a trouble light. We also had them installed down in our pits, which makes a big difference. It's much brighter down there. The guys can actually see where they're walking now, which is huge, of course. The results have been fantastic. The fluorescents that I had in here took some maintenance. You had to clean them, change the bulbs, probably once a year. These lights here are going to last as long as I've been in the business, and probably will be. We can clearly see how good the differential fluids or oils are using these lights in our pit.
My name is Josh. I've been working here at 10th Street Quick Lube Repair for just about 2 years now. Prior to the lighting restoration we had downstairs in the pit area, where I'd be a lot of the time, we used to have old T12 fluorescent bulbs. Kind of a dim, dull light, very hard to see, especially under lower sitting vehicles. Ever since the LED restoration that we had, it's been a lot easier to see the underside of the vehicle. More light down there reflects upward. As far as checking oil change, differentials, transmission fluid, and etc., it's crucial we see the color of the fluid. Having a brighter, whiter light down there really helps with that. It just makes it all around a lot easier to see.
Very impressed and pleased with the results of these lights here, and I'm looking forward to putting some more in.